If you'd like to make your text glow inside of Kittl, it's pretty easy to do. Here I'm in my artboard. I'm just going to make my background color slightly off-white so that you can see it a bit easier. I'm going to go over to the left-hand side and click text. And then from here, I'm going to click headline. That just gives me some basic text. I'm going to make it nice and big so that we can see it. Now you can use any font you like. This will work with any font. Basically, you want to pick a light color. So here this is black. I'm going to click on the text color and make it maybe just a bright, how about a bright green? Let's start with that. Okay, so we're going to make it a bright green. I'm going to make my background a bit darker so we can see that. Very easy to change. And then from here, we want to make this word glow. And so over on the right-hand side, there's a A+ effects tab. I'm going to click on that. And the very first one is called shading. We're going to click on that. Now you're going to see an offset and you're going to see a color. This is called drop shadow. Now the drop shadow happens to be the same color as the background or very close to it. So I'm going to change this color just so you can see what it looks like. I'm going to make it red, for example. And you can see there's a little bit of red now in behind the green. The drop shadow color is red. This offset makes it larger or smaller. You want to make this drop shadow offset right to 0. We don't really want it to be outside of it. And then you just increase the blur. Increase the blur all the way to 100. That's it. Now I'm making the glow red, but you can make the glow any color you want. So here I'm going to make it yellow, for example. You can see it now glows. You can make the glow any color. Blue, doesn't really matter. So you can play around very quickly in Kittl. You can change the background color. And you can make it dark. You can make it light. And if you'd like to increase the glow even more than that, simply click on your text. Control-C it copies it, and then Control-V pastes it. And then from here, you can just match them up, and you can see it's even more glowing now than it was before. Control-C, Control-V, Control-C, Control-V. You can see it instantly makes it more each time, and you can make a really neat glowing effect just by simply having different layers of that glow. It's pretty cool. Hope you found this helpful. I'll put a link to Kittl in the video description below. I love using Kittl. Just a heads up, it is an affiliate link. That just means if you click on it and you purchase the Kittl subscription, I would receive a small commission. Here's another video on how you can supercharge your graphic design skills using Kittl.